Here's what you're going to be expected to have completed by the end of today. It's Friday, May 6th. So you're going to keep working on your site. You should have already uploaded, or you should have downloaded the site and then added information for the government section, the first part of that information. There's a little bit more to add today. That's what you should have done yesterday. Now, if you didn't do that, if you don't know how to upload your site or work with the site, you need to look at yesterday's slides. There's videos on yesterday's slides that tell you literally how to do everything you need to do for this site. So anything you get stuck on with working with the Google site, look at yesterday's slide. That has videos that'll show you what to do. So by the end of class today, you should have uploaded your 2 flag papers. If you need help doing that, there's a video right here. Just click on this link. You should also have completed the government section. Again, that information is from yesterday's slide. What information you need to put on your site. And there's a video that shows you what to do as well for that. But that's on yesterday's slide. Then the last part of today is just a little bit more government information. And that information is right here on slide 2 of today's slide. So what you have to do, basically, this is below the other stuff that you put out there, is you're going to tell us, how does the government of your country, both of them, so there's 2 of them, how do they function? So if they're dictatorships, they might function because a dictator just tells people what to do. If they're a democracy, then people might vote, or there might be elected bodies that make decisions. So you'd want to think about that. Then the second part is, do they have a constitution? We do. We're an organized government. We're a limited government, so we have a constitution. Some countries that are unlimited governments don't have a constitution because they don't need one, because nobody has any rights anyways. So think about that. Then the last part is there a military or police force in your countries? And again, countries with dictatorships, those usually have very strong militaries and really mean police, and a lot of police. And countries that are more free usually always have police, but their military depends on the viewpoint of the country. The United States is a strong nation, so we have a strong military. Other countries don't want to have a big military. They usually have something. Even free countries might just say, well, we don't really want to have a big military, but they have a little bit. So you want to think about, what is your good country and your bad country? How do they look at having a military, and how do they look at having a police force? That's all you're going to add to the bottom. So the only new stuff for today is this, as well as adding your little flag papers, which is very, very simple. That's all you've got to do today, and you'll be all done for the weekend.